External wall spraying Robot TD500/TR500 is suitable for the spraying construction of sandless latex paint, water and water, and water and sand multicolor paint. It is mainly composed of three parts: suspension assembly, spraying assembly, and control system. The spraying efficiency can reach 3 to 5 times that of manual operation. The product has safety functions such as overspeed limit, overload monitoring, emergency release, posture monitoring, wind speed monitoring, etc., which effectively ensure the safety of the robot's high-altitude operation. The use of graphical trajectory planning, spraying technology, and breakpoint resumption technology effectively improves the robot's ease of use. Through posture stability control, remote spraying pressure monitoring, and other technologies, the stability of the spraying process is improved to ensure the construction quality of the robot. This series of robots uses AC 380-volt centralized power supply and reaches IP54 protection level, which can meet the environmental requirements of outdoor high-altitude operations. High-quality, precise spraying process and parameter control ensure uniform paint surface and good appearance. High efficiency. The comprehensive spraying efficiency is 3 to 5 times that of manual work. Safety. No manual high-altitude work is required, which can avoid the safety hazards of high-altitude work. One key positioning. The robot automatically climbs and aligns with the spraying starting point, and then turns on the one-key spraying mode. Ease of use. User-friendly operating interface, easy to learn and use. So what are you waiting for? Contact us immediately.